The revolution of Industry 4.0 is impacting the world with new technologies developed at a tremendous speed. The Foundation for Smart Manufacturing, or FSM, conducts research and development to help the Indian industry transition to Industry 4.0. We are expanding reality into virtual worlds of simulation as well as augmented worlds to enhance human-machine interactions. We have developed collaborative robots which are able to interact with fully in-house smart factory workstations which are interacting with each other digitally. With industrial IoT implementations, we're able to create customization of orders that can be processed by workstations at a factory. FSM is solving maintenance issues of industries by creating virtual and augmented experiences for guiding and training repairs. We emphasize a deep understanding of the technology behind the scenes while prioritizing action and implementation. Combined with all the research, FSM creates learning opportunities with flagship internship programs for students as well as industry professionals. With global partnerships and collaboration, FSM continues to bring India closer to Industry 4.0, and we're always dedicated to advancing the technologies of the future with constant work and innovation.